Video is about Solved Chemistry MCQs of past ETEA NMDCAT papers. Dry carbon dioxide is passed through Grignard reagent in the presence of ether as solvent. The intermediate is decomposed with dilute hydrochloric acid, giving a compound X. Identify X, whether it is primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, acetone, carboxylic acid. So we will look at the information table. The Grignard reagent, when react with dry ice or solid carbon dioxide by acid workup, it will produce carboxylic acid. And the reaction takes place in two steps. In one step, the nucleophilic carbon of the Grignard reagent, it will add to the electrophilic carbon of the carbonyl group, which means double carbonyl group. These are represented by the carbon dioxide. And it will produce an intermediate compound, that is magnesium carboxylate complex. Now in second step, there is given an intermediate compound, and when it is decomposed by the dilute HCl. Now the second step is the treatment of hydrochloric acid, or we can say the treatment of the acid workup. It will produce carboxylic acid from this intermediate compound. So the answer is carboxylic acid. 4 dm cube of oxygen at a pressure of 400 atmosphere and 1 dm cube of nitrogen at a pressure of 200 atmosphere are put in a 2 dm cube vessel. The total pressure in the vessel is 200 atmosphere, 400 atmosphere, 800 atmosphere, 900 atmosphere. So we will solve it. Since the new volume obtained is 2 dm cube that is given in the question, so we can calculate the new pressure using Boyle law. P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2, or we can also write it as Pi Vi is equal to Pf Vf. Here the I and F represent the initial and final. For oxygen, Pf is equal to Pi multiplied by Vi divided by Vf. This formula is obtained by rearranging the above formula or the Boyle law formula. Pi that is given in the question is 400 atmosphere, Vi is 4 dm cube, divided by the final volume is 2 dm cube. Solving it, we will get 800 atmosphere for oxygen. Similarly, for nitrogen, the formula is same, Pi multiplied by Vi divided by Vf. So the Pi that is given in the question, that is 200 atmosphere, Vi is 1 dm cube divided by 2 dm cube, that is the final volume, that is same for both the oxygen and nitrogen. Solving it, we will get 100 atmosphere. Now the question is about total pressure in the vessel. The total pressure is equal to the sum of the pressure of oxygen and nitrogen. So the pressure of oxygen is 800 atmosphere. Pressure for nitrogen is 100 atmosphere. Summing it, we will get 900 atmosphere. So the answer is 900 atmosphere. In which period is the most electronegative element found? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will just a glance at the periodic table. The horizontal lines are known as periods and the vertical lines are known as groups. So the question is about period. So this is the first period in which hydrogen and helium are present. In second period, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon are present. We know that the most electronegative element in the periodic table is fluorine. So the fluorine is present in the second period. So the answer is B. You can also follow the Facebook page ETEA NMDCAT and Engineering in the Test Preparation. At this page you will find the past NMDCAT papers. You can also subscribe the channel for more videos.